Keep them together. Steady, steady. Good, little quick at the end. See. That's the canter. Steady, steady, steady. Good job. Yes, stay there now, stay there. That's okay. Yes. Cats. Good, look. Steady. Nice. Don't let him get quick. Pull him back now, pull him back. Set him up. Yes, Kathy. Like you were a little loose coming to the base. Yeah, which I didn't say anything because I like it. Steady, steady. Hold him, hold him, hold him. Steady. Good. Keep your leg on. Good. Sit up. Keep him together for the oxer. Hold. Hold. Nicely done. Yahoo! Don't let him do that again now. Hold him. Keep him together. Hold. Hold. Good job. Nice ride. Look where you're going. Wait. Wait. Good. Good job.